Hello friends, today's topic 10 stocks still not recovered from 52 weeks low. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra and the purpose of the video is financial education of the society. Indian stock markets are at their lifetime high. It was at this 52 weeks low in March 2023. Nifty's 52 weeks low is 16,828 and as of now it is 28% above its 52 weeks low. The rally has been especially good since the last 2 months. Now in front of you is a Nifty 50 graph of 2023 and 16,828. The journey started to 21,456 plus 28% in 8 months. We have compiled a list of Nifty 50 stocks that have recovered the highest from the 52 week low, and you'll be able to make many observations and to study some of these stocks to look for opportunities to invest. Stocks recovered highest from 52 weeks low. Adani Enterprises 52 weeks low 1017, today's price 2990 and percentage of gain from 52 weeks low 194%. Adani Ports 52 weeks low 395, current price 1079, gain from the 52 weeks low 173. Tata Motors 52 weeks low 375, current price 732, percentage of gain from the 52 weeks low 95%. NTPC similarly is 88% above the 52 weeks low. Bajaj Auto 78% above the 52 weeks low. Now coming to the sixth stock, Hero Motocar, 52 weeks low, 2247, today's price 3896, percentage of gain from the 52 weeks low 73%. L&T 2050 versus 3487, 70% above the 52 weeks low. Coal India 208 versus 350, 69% above. Titan 2269 versus 3601 and 59% above the 52 week low. IndusInd Bank 990 versus 1571, 59% above 52 weeks low. Now we are giving you one more set of statistics and that was the title of today, stocks still closer to 52 weeks low. HUL 52 weeks low 2393, current price 2523 and the gain from 52 weeks low only 5%. Kotak Bank 1644 versus 1850 and 13% above the 52 weeks low. HDFC Bank 1460 versus 1656 and 13% above the 52 weeks low. Reliance Industries 52 weeks low 2180, current price 2496, percentage gain 14%. UPL 52 weeks low 528, today's price 611, percentage gain from 52 weeks low 16%. Sixth one is Britannia 52 weeks low 4153, today's price 4914, 18% above the 52 weeks low. Asian Paint 2686 versus 3314, 23% above. TCS 3070, 3861, 26% above. Wipro 352 versus 446, 27% above the 52 weeks low. And Maruti Suzuki 8076 versus 10,286, 27% above the 52 weeks low. Now there are few observations. Usually fundamentally strong stocks which have not participated much in the current rally will have a higher chance of rising since more money from institutional investors may flow into such stocks. 2. IT sector stocks which are struggling for 1.5 years have suddenly started to rally. They were consolidating and ignored by investors for a long time. 3. When profit booking happens, the stocks which have rallied more could fall by a higher percentage than stocks which have not rallied much. 4. So watch out for the stocks which are underperforming currently since there could be opportunities to make profit in the short term apart from the long term. End of the video, here is a question. Have you made any short-term trades recently? If so, what is the percentage of profits you have made? Type in the comment section. Because we have made lot of money in the short term looking at the 30 days moving average, and hence we have made money and there was an opportunity. We are also asking you the same question, and please understand the steep in the market has not yet come down. The Nifty is likely to go up a little more, and that is the time you can still make some profits if you know technical analysis. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.